Alright guys, so we're in Vegas right now. We're looking at this nice apartment right here. So this wasn't the plan, but this is what comes with Forex, where we got freedom, bro. We can do whatever we want. So I told my baby, you know what, let's go look at some apartments. And we're gonna check it out right now. So this is it right here. It's a cool little spot. It's nothing crazy, you know, but the amenities are nice. Let me show you. An apartment like this over there in LA would be like 5K, 6, 7K, bro. This right here is only 1,300, bro. 1,300, and living here, I'm saving like 100K in taxes, bro. Like, this is lit, bro. Check out the amenities. Cool little fridge. Boom, boom. It's cool. I don't know what this is, but it just looks like you got one. This is cool. I'm fucking with this right here. Like, look at this sink right here, bro. Baby, you keep playing with me, I'm gonna bathe you in this shit. Keep playing with me, looking all good and shit. This is tight though. Look at it. We got an island right here. Cool little lights. Come check out the bedroom. This is where all the magic happens, where the cheeks get clapped. This is it right here. Look at this cool. This is cool right here. Cool little, you know? Let me put my little shoes up here and shit. You know what I mean? This is cool. Check out the restroom real quick. Hey, come here, baby. She's loving this right here. Look at cool little bathroom. All of this for what? 1,500? 1,500. Bro, in LA, bro, and in San Bernardino, and over there in California, this is like $5,000 to $6,000, bro. So my plan is we move here for a year, we stack up, let's get to be millionaires, and then let's go buy a mansion. But for right now, this is doing it. Babe, if you want this shit, it's yours, bro. You make the decision. This shit is yours. I'll buy another one next door. We can just
stop.
We can live separate, bro.
Hey, she likes it.
This is the second bedroom, bro. This is a big bedroom. It's not like this in California. Look, this shit has its own bathroom, bro. I can shit wherever I want to shit. Look at this. I had to buy this off Amazon to put it in our house. Another closet, bro. This shit is lit, bro. For this cheap, it's ridiculous. And the neighborhood's nice. Babe, if you want this shit, it's yours, bro. You want to look at other apartments? You want it?
I want it.
We're getting this shit. Pack it up. We're gonna save so much money being in here, bro. It's crazy. We got like every store possible on the outside of this shit. It might be a done deal, bro. These rooms are huge.
Yeah, they are.
Bro, this is like, we spend this on food, bro. Like, this is ridiculous.
Like, I might not even want to look at other. Look at the light switches.
I don't even know how to use that, bro. But all right, you guys, so I'm gonna talk to my wife, see if we're gonna check out more or we're just gonna buy this shit now. I'll see you guys in the next clip. All right, so that was the first apartment we seen, but we actually ended up going with a different one. When we applied for that one, they were giving us trouble with our credit. And you know, I understand because, you know, when I was trying to get into this Forex thing and trying to be successful, I was maxing out every credit card that we had to get funding challenges, to get courses, mentorship. I was putting everything I had, and it got to the point where I was like in $20,000 in debt. But after a while, we started cutting down on bills that we were paying because it was either buy food or buy diapers for my daughter. And I was like, you know what, fuck these bills. Whenever I get rich, I'll pay this off. And you know, good thing that it worked out, or else we'd be in serious debt right now. And you know, we're starting to pay things off, but our credit has not jumped up. I'm sure you guys know it takes a long time for your credit score to start coming back up, and I don't know if it'll ever be revived like it was, because I used to have good credit. But anyways, we went to this other apartment and we were feeling down, like, man, it's just not working out. We're not gonna be able to get it because we don't have good credit. We went to this other apartment, we fell in love with it. It was way bigger, the ceilings were higher. It's just nice. Not the furniture, what do you call it, the appliances, everything was just top-notch luxury. So I'm not gonna show you guys the apartment right here, but I am gonna show it to you in the moving vlog. I'm gonna take you guys with me, packing up the U-Haul, driving 254 miles to a whole nother state. It's gonna be crazy, bro. You guys are gonna see the apartment, you're gonna see the apartment complex. I'm gonna show you guys everything, and it's just crazy that I'm in this position, bro, because I remember last year I watched Doyle's video when he moved from Detroit to Miami, and I was like, man, one day I'm gonna do that shit. And it's crazy, bro. That day is here, bro. Just keep your faith in God, bro. Stay loyal, stay down to him. Even if you don't see the signs in the first, second year, it just comes, bro. It just, you're gonna be so surprised. It's unbelievable, bro. Like, it was so crazy how that first apartment was way cheaper, not even luxury like that. Like, we were really settling for it, and they were giving us so many problems. It's because God did not want us there. He did not want our spirits there. He wanted us in a better luxury apartment, bro. It's like we deserve to be there. We've been working hard, bro. We've been staying loyal, and it's crazy, bro. I can't wait to move there. I'm so excited, and I just want you guys to know you guys can do what the fuck you want to do, bro. Don't listen to nobody. Don't listen to your parents, your homies, your friends, your coworkers that say you can't do shit. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do if you keep God first and you never give up, bro. You can do this shit, bro. I don't care if you learn from me or learn from someone else. Just make this shit happen, bro. Make this shit happen, bro, because my life is different, bro. Like, I don't want to get emotional and all that, but it's like, bro, shit was so bad for so long, bro. This shit was so bad. Everything went wrong, bro. We just seemed like we had the worst luck, and it's because we didn't have Jesus in our life, bro. And I know some of you guys might be hearing this like, oh, he's just one of those people talking about Jesus, but I'm telling you, bro, shit was so bad, and now shit just seems so good, bro. You see me, I'm on vacation every fucking week, bro. Like, this shit is crazy, but I just want you guys to know that you guys can do this shit too. I'm no one special, bro. Trust me, I'm not. But I'll see you guys in that movie vlog. It's gonna be lit, bro. I might start crying on a bitch. I don't know, bro. I just be getting emotional because, bro, I really come from shit. But I'll see you guys next time.